Okay, we're starting on Hasbar 3:2. We have 30 lines down in the Gemara. Again, this is taking place in Kiddushin, Daf Bet. And the Gemara starts with the word maskif. Maskif means objection. Maskif le Rapapa. Rapapa objects to this braita. Listen to what he has to say. He says, Taima, the reason the Reisha says that the Kiddushin takes place is because the nasanhu va'amarhu, because the man does everything. He gives the money and he says the script, right? The formula, harei mukadeshet li. So he does both things. And therefore, that's why there's Kiddushin. So what can we infer, Rav Papa is saying, from the Reisha? That hanasanhu, that if the man gave, va'amrihi, and the woman, she said the script, she said the formula, any mukadeshet, there would be no Kiddushin. So let's just review. Rav Papa is positing the following idea. He says, the Reisha of the Braita starts off by saying that there is Kiddushin. Why? Because the man does everything. So therefore we can infer that if the man doesn't do everything, he only does part of it, and the woman will do part of it, the Kiddushin doesn't take place. So he says, well, let's look at the Sefer now. All right, let's look at the Sefer as a separate entity. What did we say in the Sefer? We said, what happens if the woman gives the money and the woman says the script? We said there's no Kiddushin. Ema Sefer, let's look at the Sefer. Ava, but he shenatna lo va'amrahi, if she's the one who gives the money and she says the script, lo havi Kiddushin, there is no Kiddushin. And taima, why? What's the reason? Nahi va'amrahi, because she's the one who did the giving and she's the one who did the saying. So therefore, maybe if we just look at the Sefer now, and the Sefer is that she did everything, it is possible that we can infer that what? That if hanasanhu, if the man gives the money, va'amrahi, but she says the script, have a Kiddushin, maybe it would be a Kiddushin. So it's not really clear, right? It looks like a contradiction because in the Sefer we're saying that what? She did everything and therefore there's no Kiddushin. Maybe we can infer therefore that if she doesn't do everything, I mean she only does part of it, and the man will do part of it, maybe she would be Mikadesh. There would be a Kiddushin. So this sort of contradicts what we might learn in the Reisha. Because the Reisha said what? That the reason this Kiddushin is because the man does everything, which would imply that if he only did half of it, it wouldn't work. Well, we can use that reasoning in the opposite direction. In the Sefer, what did we say? She does everything, there's no Kiddushin. Well, maybe if she only does part of it, and the man will do part of it, maybe there will be a Kiddushin. So, not really clear. So let's see what the Gemara is going to answer. But that's the contradiction. Please make sure you write this out in your Hasbar. And if you're not sure, please listen to the video again.